Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I will talk about Facebook ads. What is, how it works, and why people use it. Uh, what is Facebook ads? Facebook ads is a paid advertising system by Facebook Namita. With Facebook ads, business can show their products, service, or pages to spaces people on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. For example, if you sell shoes, Facebook ads helps you show your shoe ad to people who like shoes, shop online, or are in a specific location. So simply, Facebook ads paying Facebook to show about at the right people. Why? Where do Facebook ads appear? Facebook ads to look like normal post, but they say sponsored. They can appear on Facebook news feeds, on Instagram feed stories, in videos on Messenger. Many times we don't even realize it's an ad. That's how natural it looks. How does Facebook ads work? Facebook ads work in three simple steps. Choose your goal like more page likes, more website visit, more messages, more sales. Select your audience. You can choose age, gender, location, set budget and time. You decide how much money to spend, how many days the ad will run. Even small budget like 300 500 taka can work. Me, why people? For why people use Facebook ads. People use Facebook ads because million of people use Facebook ads. Facebook every day. Use Facebook every day. You can target extent customers. It's cheaper than TV or newspaper ads. Result are fast. Mm, That's why small business, online shops, YouTubers, freelancers, everyone use Facebook ads today. Final summary: Facebook ads is a paid promotional tool. It helps reach the right audience. It increase sales, followers, and brand answers. Anyone can use it. Beginner,